Ndoma da dilinde pe zawon ya ngaro dili sum shai.
I'd like to begin by offering my welcome. Good morning to everyone who has come.
Da dili ya da tangbu dili ya ngene ba tagena ma dis shuishan jumdo ma dis man tueshan jumdo sam.
And I think it would be best to start by just reading from the Jewel Ornament of Liberation.
Chanju de semge be ni de chansu cheba de chansu ma cheba wa thambula ni de men be semge be ju be semge be thambula ge de tiba chembo chuben yuwa da chanju sembe laba samje gi den yuwa da digwa samje zen jeben yuwa da la me be chanju gi za subur yuwa da sonam ba du me ba thobur yuwa da sangye samje nyebur yuwa da simje samje la pembur yuwa da nyurdo ngombar zum sangya wa yuwa wo.
The benefits of developing bodhicitta are of two types, the countable and the uncountable. The countable benefits are themselves of two types, those arising from aspiration bodhicitta and those arising from engaged bodhicitta. The first are eightfold. You enter the Mahayana. It serves as the basis for all other aspects of bodhisattva training. It helps you eradicate all misdeeds. It helps you plant the root of unsurpassable merit. It helps you gain incalculable merit. All of the Buddhas are pleased, all beings are benefited, and perfect Buddhahood is swiftly attained.
Tela dangbo xena kan chanju chog simji ma ge na de de joba phusun soba de den tiba chim khonsu mi chula tiba chimru mo ju na joba sange mi tobo kan chanju ki simge ba na tiba chimru chuba yino changsa le ye semde kema sa na me bi chanju tiba chimru shuba yin de xie sun so.
The first is explained as follows. People's conduct may be the very best possible, but if they have not given rise to bodhicitta, then they have not yet entered the Mahayana. Without entering the Mahayana, Buddhahood cannot be attained. A person who has attained the bodhisattva mind becomes a Mahayanist. Thus it says in the bodhisattva levels, as soon as one has generated this attitude, one has entered the great vehicle to unsurpassable enlightenment.
다디 다당 아주 겁들이야 송대야디 테레샤 가르사 네 겁들이야 다 장부대 티버치 뭐 수분 교와사데 티진랑we 주고 전주스 심게데 티진랑we 주고 인수하데 된다데
And so what this passage is describing is that if you arouse bodhicitta, then you are brought into the Mahayana path. What this is saying is that this is the gateway to enter the Mahayana path.
단도나 티진심기리 귤을 깨와sam기 최신 귤을 깨와는 마되버 전이 다 티버침으로 gyuram tiba chimur chubir gyuwa tene jimbe chane energy tijenangmi jugu ins tene sungduwa.
What this means is that once you have developed the Mahayana resolve, then without depending upon any other causes, this cause itself is what brings you into the Mahayana, and it is therefore the gateway to the Mahayana path.
단도나 지 티버 침부 이미 사디 and 심게 member 심게 귤데 마데 데리지기 다참 야와샤고 요베 임브레.
So what this means is that whether or not we are Mahayana practitioners, depends upon whether we have the aspirational bodhicitta within our beings or not. This is what distinguishes, or this is the basic level of entering the Mahayana.
야 가시에게 니지셔모디 티젠랑고 주고 인수하는데 용디 유스래 이내 급들려야지야 삼삼 니지셔모 수하되다 안티고 신보 가서 심게니 고아 지랑과 섭시 니지셔모디 심게를 고고하로 된대야 용디 유스래.
Sometimes it is said that great compassion is the gateway to the Mahayana path. But I think that this is intending that great compassion means the same thing as the Mahayana resolve of bodhicitta.
남경아도 기부름 등 타숨 시에 거돌리야 기부 전부 이민사디 안에 니지 전부 유래 대마된 거는 사고레스 안에 다 티버 전부 이민사디 심기 유래 대마된 거는 사고레스 이제 기부 전부 다 티버 전부 디스
So often when we speak of the three types of persons, the greater, middling, and lesser person, whether one is a greater person is said to depend upon whether one has great compassion in one's being. But whether one has entered the Mahayana or not depends upon whether you have the bodhicitta within yourself. And so here I think there is a distinction being drawn between entering the Mahayana path and being a greater type of person.
너는 기부천부 임비 칠룩대다 티부천부 임비 저기 칠룩는데 시제 자는 지구 임비 소리다 간다 지 심게 야천부 단 너는 지 심제 말루베 지 가르다 디도기 편바단 대화 그래서 내게 디도기 체도 승구를 랜통에 내게 개인코로 통게 개인코로 누나 나도 지금 전부를 적용하래 된 개인코로 뭐냐 근데 지 칸에 지 전부 인스라바 좀 시기에 전부 전부 적용 말해서
But fundamentally, the way that what makes great compassion great and what makes the great Mahayana great or the bodhicitta great is fundamentally the same. It's a question of the scope, the vast scope of the resolve. If we have the resolve that we want to bring benefit to all infinite sentient beings, that we want to bring them happiness and free them of suffering, that we want to bring benefit and happiness to all of them. If we are able to take that responsibility and shoulder that responsibility ourselves, then that is what makes it great. If we are not able to, then even no matter how great the words we say, in actuality it is not great.
멤버십이죠. 상계 토벌인데 로면은 전주선배 라바시죠. 수림순부 개왕 내배 되면은 상계 토벌인데 로디 수림순부 개신 내배 샘들 라베 대인노스 장살레게 샘게 같은 전주선배 라바남지 대인이 제순소.
For the second, it is explained as follows. If you do not have aspirational bodhicitta, the longing to achieve enlightenment, you cannot generate and sustain the bodhisattva's training consisting in the threefold moral discipline. However, if you do so aspire, you lay the very foundation for what is achieved by first adopting the threefold moral discipline and then training in it. The bodhisattva level says, giving rise to this attitude is the basis for all the bodhisattva's training.
다들 말씀사대 전주선배 라바 탐지기 대인 수마다 말씀 뭐라 전주선배 수림수부 기계 말라 당부 기계 말에 바로 내 말에서 죄송해 그래.
And so this is saying that aspirational bodhicitta is the basis for all the trainings of a bodhisattva. If you lack the aspirational bodhicitta, then you will not be able to develop the disciplines of the bodhisattva, and they will not remain if you do.
가리 멸세 만년부채 아니 전주스미 예주도에 수림 차르도바 배나 gelong고 동바르지 냠베이비나 어느 멸세 만년나 안다지 튜 가르레 야고 동바짠네 내야여지 지당기 수수답에 나눠래야 아니 gelong 동바지소 가르레지 판바 충분히미나 아니 비좀 서버지기 양가라 이제 돈바 님에 저지 가서 비좀 서버들이 레아메 기지래 이내 전주 선배에게 내년에 좀 나눠래야 몇십 만년나 아니 자지 땡기 총네 개롱도 돈바 잡던 레아여버지 레송여비입니다 다된 조디 그럼 몇십기 톱선한다 몇십 대여배 투르 뉴번어디 이므라
So if we have not lost our aspirational bodhicitta, even if we end up violating the discipline of refraining from wrongs, such as the bhikshu vows, then if we have the aspirational bodhicitta, then we can still retake those vows. In the pratimoksha vows, with the bhikshu vows, for example, that once you have incurred one of the 4 defeats, then you will not be able to take the vows again in an excellent and fault-free, perfect sort of manner. However, if you have in the scriptures of the bodhisattva levels, it says that if the aspirational bodhicitta has not decreased, has not been lost, then even if you have broken one of the vows, you can go to a representation or support, and you can retake the vow. And so this is said to be the power of the aspirational bodhicitta, or it's the potential or the capability or the power of the aspirational bodhicitta.
순배 된시에는 딕베님부 개와에는 개와는 초도교의 전주 있음이인데 대나 년부께는 미리미쇼 세버교 춘이 대다야 대내 뒤에 메시 디제는 기지 찍잉에 버려 식버체 제 숭소.
The third point is that virtue is the remedy for former wrongs. The best of all virtues is the bodhisattva mind. By bringing this remedy into play, all adverse factors will be annihilated. Thus one reads, "This, like the fire at an eon's end, incinerates great wrongs in just an instant."
다 디바 지당기 디베년 볼래야 지 톱시 숭거봐 톱시 숭두 산에다 톱시 나는 땡기 톱 파지 전주 semde and tengi togi nanda chodu gyubatini jingi sunguyabra.
So the antidote for the misdeeds is the 4 powers. So what this is saying is that among the power of support, aspirational bodhicitta is the greatest of these powers of support.
시베 된시나 심진기 규 사시다보라 참인지 렌단 대신 전주기심 자와더의 총나 전주그 저기 최 순주 저등기 연대 계시 저거 상계기 주면은 상계기 심진기 편의 조인다 대나 장심디 깨나 상계기 자와 초보이노 장설레게 심계버든 라나면 마다부 저거 전주기 자와 이노시에 송소 다된도나
The fourth point is that when the moisture of loving kindness and compassion saturates the ground that is the mind of a being, into which the root, the mind set on enlightenment, has been well and firmly planted, then the branches full of leaves, the 37 factors conducive to awakening, are developed. Once the fruit, perfect Buddhahood, has ripened, great benefit and happiness will arise from it for all beings. Thus, when the bodhisattva mind has arisen, The root of Buddhahood is firmly planted. The Bodhisattva Levels says, the awakening of the Bodhisattva mind is the root of unsurpassable, pure, and perfect enlightenment.
ngaba sonam badu me ba thobar gyone pajing gi shiben dole chanju sengi sonam khade jale su nam ge khan ne gyunga thene de la ba ju she sung so dadi ko sonam gi chane chebi na ne be nang khade nya ba thok yes ange ma thi ji na thong so ale sonam de de thok waras chanju gi sem de nya ba yina digba ya nang khade nya ba thok res and the new ji sung sha je da na ko pin de ni mi ni ga
So that point is that it is like a seed. The fifth point is that immeasurable merit is obtained. The questions of the layman Viradatta Sutra says, whatever merit there is of bodhicitta, were it to possess a form, it would fill up the whole of space and extend well beyond its bounds. So this is saying that its merit is equal to space. Now I also have seen in an instruction manual that I read once that the merit is like this, but the dangers or the faults of it are also the same. If you commit misdeeds, they also become equal to the sky. And so this is describing both the benefits and the dangers.
Pajing shiben dole kange cheme changi sange shena mi kang rinjen dage yonga dishi namna pyo kange temo jargi di chanju to ni sim diu na cheban di ne kyabar ba tela thane maji su she song so dumba simjen thamje la pember gyo ne chige do phaba dongbo gyo ben dole jide ma thamje la pembe den do bo she song so gyeban yu dong ombar zo ba chang gyawar gyo ne 창살에 샘디 깨나 탄이라 미네디 뉴동어버 좀 상경 주르시에 송소
The sixth point is that it pleases all the Buddhas. The same sutra says, if someone were to fill with jewels as many Buddha realms as there are sand grains in the Ganges and offer this to the Buddhas, the offering of someone who joined palms and inspired, joined spine and aroused compassion, joined palms and developed the resolve to enlightenment would be far greater, for it does not have any limit. The seventh point is that it will benefit all beings. The marvelous Array Sutra says, it is like a foundation because it brings benefit to all beings. The last of the 8 points is that one will quickly become a genuinely perfect Buddha. It says in the Bodhisattva levels, once this resolve has arisen, one will dwell in neither of the two extremes, but quickly achieve truly perfect Buddhahood.
안주 말씀게 표현이 주대 ngama gebe dingdo randu gyuja su jungwa da shendun naso su jungwa wa tela tangpone jube simdi kene ngarda midrade rani nigi lokab gewar kyudam pame vrchadam tela sobe gyu tamche duyan sonam gi gyun shuk gyun ma cheba jungwa ino tedrayan junju le simdi yangda lan yoba tene sundi ngi lokab pame gyuge sonam gyumi cheba tu ma shi nangwa nyeba rabdu ju sheye sunso shendun naso jungwa ne simjen namgi dungene se dewa ne drup 뇽몬반에 제바데 테드라야 주주래 가시 대외 풍바도 동해마데 테달 대화 군기 심바다 동해 탐지 주지 띠무장에 세제 테다 기송 갈아요 텐데시게 갈아요 손음 된다 갈아요 제 송소
The benefits of engaged bodhicitta are tenfold. These are the 8 mentioned above, along with you deriving constant benefit, and 10, it accomplishing the welfare of others in all kinds of ways. The 9th point is that once this commitment to bodhisattva practice has been undertaken, unlike previously, the flow of merit will be uninterrupted in all circumstances, even when asleep, unconscious, not being especially conscientious, and so forth. The Way of the Bodhisattva says, The moment this mind is adopted, from then on, whether the person is asleep or remains idle, a multitude of merits equal to the expanse of space will befall him with their force uninterrupted. The 10th benefit is that it will dispel the sufferings of beings, bring them happiness and sever their afflictions. The way of the Bodhisattva says, "How could there be comparable virtue to that which sates with every pleasure, which severs every suffering and also dispels delusion? For those deprived of happiness who've multitudinous sufferings, how could there be such a friend as this? How could there be such merit as this?"
장수 마시반 딘딘네 손네 상계기 발기 웬데나지 조인데 장기 밀랑어 전주기 쌤데 더위 니미니 손데 예배에 로로하다 예배 신주네 야바다 예배 사소말의 유린도 더봐 내가 당보네 담점마도 됐음게 셔나 심진 류버를 손에 대남민의 손도겨 대달의 주주 가데 대달 담진의 레 유튜브로 마치는 심진 대답 끊으면 다근로 어진들유 셰 송소 예배 신주미 뉴반의 지게도 내들 되는 중교는 심정근기 되는 셰 송소 사토바를 유린도 더반의 지게도 지들 대달 동화도 안 되는 전주 심도 된바 거래긴 되잖아 사토바를 유린도 셰 송소.
The uncountable benefits are all the qualities that emerge between the adoption of bodhicitta and enlightenment. They are beyond calculation. The harmful consequences of abandoning bodhicitta is that it is a damaging thing, because those who abandon it will be reborn in states of suffering, impair their capacity to help others, and delay considerably any achievement of the bodhisattva levels. The first of these is that by not fulfilling the bodhisattva promise and abandoning the commitment to enlightenment, a person is effectively cheating all beings. Rebirth in states of suffering is the consequence of such deception. The way of the Bodhisattva says, "If now that I have made a promise I don't accomplish the task, I will have deceived all sentient beings. What will be my destiny?" The second point is that the capacity to help others is impaired. If such a thing should happen, the welfare of all beings is diminished. The third point is the delay in achieving the levels. As it says, those who alternate between strong lapses and strong bodhicitta will continue cycling in samsara and experience serious delay in attaining the bodhisattva levels.
다드네 말씀게 처를 유섬을 왜다지 동규디스 송도와 동규디스로다 계심으로 차디 유산에 아는 그 선이 제리아 쉬는 적면로 삼천도.
So here, after this passage, it describes the causes for losing cultivated bodhicitta. This is primarily talking about the causes that cancel bodhicitta. These are quite important, so I think that I will describe these in a few days. Excuse me, I'll explain it later, perhaps in half an hour after the break.
아니 다디 마시다 선이네 송데 아니 뭐 송거진이야 스링메기 스링메기다 초아 수아도 심래 나니네 송데 근데 송요래 한 달로 있네야 못튀네 송아도 심래.
Starting from tomorrow, we will, for 3 days, we will have the Tseringma Puja. We started this last year, and we will continue this year.
다주디 아주 가르에다 세림이 저같이 금세인데 아주 지 주매기 대디술이야 지 긴중이네 주매기 긴중이 대 다신 게 봐다 안에 시주기에 자탐지 안지 김에 유주바 다들 아직 조 미를 지 장세 제브레
The primary reasons for doing the Tseringma Puja is so that the community of nuns, the Sangha of nuns, will be able to flourish and expand, and so that they will have no impediment in accomplishing all of the tasks of listening, of study, and of practice.
다 지단게 스링마데 이제 평함경의 때마 중이 있어야지 다 간다 female goddess somewhere 다지 배 롱바디 숨겹치게 되게다 라모 중이 다 라모 지고 말을 라모도 루모도 좀 안고 저래 간다 전에 중이 예대에 나한다 조언을 지레 송도와 안에 다나 신기 대 지주밀레베기 때네 나의 때바디 미 나는 위버때마다 미마인게 나는 좀 스리민 짐버도스 가나네 간다 공기 때바디 때미 나네 위버때마 순주산 감보베기에 때바디 징그레스 미마인게 나네 좀 스리미기 게 때바디 징그레스 제다다 미다 미마이 니게기 때바디 순주산 다디나네 저 스리마데 밀레주기 짐베다디 가르베 드레인 유산에 다디 개발을 파버도 두차디 오래
Tashit Tseringma is one of the 12 Tenma goddesses, or the 12 Tenma spirits. The Tenmas are female goddesses or spirits who protect the land of Tibet. Actually, they're not all goddesses. There are goddesses and Naginis and so forth. In any case, Tseringma is the principal among them. Likewise, Milarepa also said that among humans, the one who would uphold his teachings is the teacher from U, and among non-humans, it was Tseringma. So in saying that the one who would uphold his teachings among humans would be the teacher from U, that meant, or Central Tibet, that meant Gampopa. And Tseringma means Tashi Tseringma. So she is the primary one who upholds his teachings among non-human beings. And so because she upholds the practice lineage of Milarepa, she is a superior and extraordinary goddess.
미다 미마니 니갈 데바데야데 상계 겁네 좀 셰쇼게 겁네 총임스라 뒤에 나로래야 안다지 상계 데바데 데바데산버디 스머베다 술을 떼고 공네 공부 셰베 거돌이야 아니 밀레테고도 할테고도 공연도 산에 밀 지불을 때나 미디 아니 세통하레스 제가 안 때문에 유린도 내서 말했어 아니다 할 때고 공도 산 할 지불을 때비네 할때 밤에 봐 지금 뇌연리야베 지거를 가로 롱제네 여기 밤에 봐 이미 유산 뒤주세 때나 할 지불 때문에 되나 말이부터 제가 달라도 미니갈 때문에 수행을 해. 제가 미나네 저기 아주 내려 유순신 버려야 때문에 때문에 계속 수행하셔 두시면 다드네 미난 가서 미마인베 나네 개버셔 대시리아 안 때문에 되네 때문에 수행하 진짜 가서다 랭게로 지 나이브레 어다들이 뉴스안에 미드 미만이 뭐니가 때문에 때문에 시주가 겁네 총대가 되듯이 임라
Actually, entrusting the teachings to both humans and non-humans is something that started at the time of the Buddha. It says in the Vinaya that as the Buddha was considering whom he should entrust his teachings to, he thought, should he give them to humans or should he give them to the gods? If he gave them to the humans, because humans have short lives, then the teachings would not be able to remain for a long time. But if he only gave them to the gods are careless. Because they are always enjoying sensory pleasures, they grow careless. And so it would not be right to just entrust it to them. And so he entrusted the teachings to both humans and to gods. Among humans, he first entrusted them to Mahakashyapa, whom he installed as a regent. And among non-humans, he entrusted them to the 4 great kings, who thus became protectors of Buddhism. And so in this way, it is from the time of the Buddha that there began a custom of entrusting the teachings to both humans and non-humans.
나한테는 미세도 다리 치링만 나 이거만 아주 치링만 토마츠에 걸래 저기 인접지 된가를 미치기 지 양시 나 다들 양시 가르래 주제 뉴스차 대체도 아주 중요하네 다리에 있는 양gar 아니 양시 뉴스적이 레도 아주 중요해.
Last year, when we first held the Tserengma Puja, one reason for holding it was in particular so that the rebirth of Kyabje Tengar Rinpoche would swiftly arrive and swiftly come. And again, we are also holding it for the same purpose of the reincarnation of Kyabje Tengar Rinpoche swiftly arriving.
나니 그돌이야. 그러다 심게 처르규 송도와 니 그돌이야 도두슈 담아지 디스지마 쉰즈면로 삼정도 자주이 심게 처르규는이데 멤버 처르규는 주부 처르규 대라당번에 심게 르방와다 나불 70대마다 미디미 심게베 처로스
The causes of losing bodhicitta, at this point it now talks about the causes for losing bodhicitta. And so it says here, the causes of losing bodhicitta are twofold. The causes for losing the aspirational and the causes for losing the engaged bodhicitta.
다 되네요. 넘버처럼 규되네요. 다 멤버처럼 규지다 주부처럼 규지 넘버 2예요. 안에 멤버처럼 규텔이야. 넘버 숨이 말해.
And so this is saying that the causes for losing bodhicitta are twofold. They're the causes for losing aspirational bodhicitta and the causes for losing engaged bodhicitta. The causes for losing aspirational bodhicitta are threefold.
다 될래요. 다 통마 당부디 심지를 방어의 샤나임을
The first of these is giving up on sentient beings.
디난 타게 나로네 심지 르방시 랍서 시아나 네네 저주스 뭐 켈레반 신도 밑에 데스 베나 부지부세네 부이제 소바시노 세제 다 셰브네 다 숨보다 부지기에도 파세 엔디기베 가주르다 고랑기 잘라데디바 사는 야데브는 시레스
The causes for this giving up on sentient beings is described as in the jewel ornament of liberation. It says here that if you have a single child and you kill that child and then keep their things, it is similar to doing that.
다가나 심지르 미동아 사데 안 자주 심베기 가주에 랍자세난 라도 다 코랑가 탐제세난 라도 개시슈디 이메
Not giving up on any sentient being is the most important precept or the most important commitment of the Bodhisattva vow.
다 teleyam 아니 현대 가주에 디미 균센데야 아니 전주 선바데 조 현대 샤데 안 전주 선베 코랑기 게르 주시메레 드린 유산다 디 균센데네 아니 심질로미도 하데 아니 장게 심질로 땅라 아니 현대 중앙메비 유산에 다디 균센데네 다 심질로미도 하사데 안 전주 선베기다 숭저스나 라도 다 탐지스네 라도 다 개치슈디 이스라엘.
The reason for this is that the responsibility of a bodhisattva is to bring benefit to others. And so for that reason, they must not give up on other sentient beings. If you give up on any sentient being, then you do not bring benefit to others. And so therefore, not giving up on sentient beings is therefore the greatest precept or the greatest vow of the bodhisattva.
다들이야 심지르 땅와 시드산나 다 르 땅에 체르지 샤비나 안 카데르슬라비미나.
So what is the limit or the threshold for giving up on a sentient being?
다디 자게르 고민도 쓰부다 네르디 견쇼 신스레 我这边束手无策哎，没办法。다들이야 다다디 계시 보도에게 수분에 소한 지금 아주디 남중기 제바 계속 시바 자고도 좀 제샤바 디나로래야 롱창남 샤바디 대지마 수인.
There is a quotation from Potoa that is cited in the commentary on the Lamp for the Path to Enlightenment by the fourth Gyaltsab Rinpoche Drapa Dundrup, and I shall now explain that citation.
안다디 담보 기시 보도에게 숭 다다디 람드른 제바날 제 기습 루치 람드른 제바날 차샤버디마 시기.
But first, there are different ways that the various Kadampa masters describe this. In actuality, in terms of the meaning, there's no real difference. But in terms of the phrasing, in terms of the words used, there are some differences. So first I will explain explain Potoa's position as described in the commentary on the Lamp for the Path to Enlightenment by Gyaltsab Rinpoche.
보도에 관해 손도사나 심지르 당와사데 심지 강하로 오지라. 균제 강론지를 때네 아니 수셈 마랑체 셈 이 말랑 받을 때네 아니 샤사다 닌지 대화지 차송나 아니 심지르 당와 인수.
Potoa says that for any one sentient being, if we get angry at that, if for any particular reason, we get annoyed with another sentient being. And because of being annoyed with that being, we then lose our affection and compassion for that being. Then that is giving up on a sentient being.
배는 직된바데서 추보게베 걸려야 직된바데서 직 추보쇼베 걸려야 아니 계제 가르치듯잖아 어다 쾌다 니니 쇠베 내가라 배 가르쳐야다지 쇠하고미지 시투고미지 계제 쉐어로다 다디 가르쳐 버렸잖아 쇠베 내가라 배 하카가 인스 시베 내가라 배지 로베세기 배 가르쳐야다지 tur robe segi ene saja de be khaga yin sarbuchi ta khana rani 시준 가르쳐비는 이니 둔다 메사르 근데 기제 시그레 지된 받으서 오 되는 신기 단도나 지 버리고 될래야지 샤선인지다 대화를 차지 아주 소소하게 파펜 토하기 고급다 뒤주 충분히 미냐 펜 가수래 떡미 삼바르지 펜미다 떡미 삼바르지다 안 다나신 홀려야지 그 균세야기 가지고 콜레 균세야기 균다 파르제 이제 충분히 있는 디세야기 누밤 고급 예비네 균세긴 균다 파르제는 도미 삼바르고 근데 그 삼모 고소나 안디 심절려 나와 있어
It's like sometimes when we have conflicts or fights in the world, in worldly, in society, sometimes people will say to each other, you and I, there's no way that we can be together in life, we cannot be together in death either. And so what this is saying is that there's no way we can be, that two people can be together. When we're living, we have to be apart from each other. And even after death, we have to be buried in separate graveyards or separate cemeteries in different places. And what essentially this is meaning is that there's no way that we can get along. And so it's similar to that. If we lose our affection or lose our compassion for some other sentient being, and even if we have the opportunity or the occasion when we can help that sentient being, if we think to ourselves, I'm not going to help that sentient being, then that is giving up on a sentient being. Furthermore, if that other person is affected by some sort of a problem, some sort of a difficulty or an impediment, we have the ability, we have the opportunity to avert that difficulty or impediment, and yet we do not, then that is giving up on a sentient being.
되네. 다들 되네. 까다면 계획신이 군제 숨가 나는다. 기시 부중호에게 숨 내래 숨을 숨하지. 다다디 주거가 유기 ከም주 군제 숨바. 공가딘진기 차진 원주치 공기 무시티지다 원주티지 야래 개보슈슈야래 원주티 개보지라 무시티 개보셔래 제정 원주티 개보주빈 디나로래야 기시 푸중원들의 손을 제 농차야래 되지 마시고인
There is also the way that it was described by the Kadampa spiritual master Puchungwa. This appears in a text on the Mahamudra preliminaries that was written by the third Kamtul Rinpoche, Kunga Tenzing, from the Drupa Kagyu lineage. He wrote long teachings on both the preliminaries and on the actual practices. This appears in the preliminary teachings. In the teachings on his explanation of the preliminaries. And so he gives a citation there from Puchungwa explaining what his position.
나 공기 가르쳐서나 나 차긴 심절려 당와사들이야 차긴 숨 좀나 아니디 가르쳐 차긴 숨 좀네 엔티 동에 가르쳐다 공기 가르쳐서나 심진 버르보데 동해와 이인데 버시 동해가 나는 취되듯이 ene telaya gwengyeb shen mebachi ta tele gwengyeb chedeng jebina onega telaya roba ma jebine ta ko gwengyeb chedeng jeba tongsan tongne ko ta da roba chenge 도 예 roba ma chen de sare so chi sam tang bina 아 대섬식 심질려 봐 저거 말했어 이내야 버리보도 동해와 임바 간시질이야 디띵도 고엔다 겹 매대비치 되네 디띵도 랑래야 동해 텔레겹에 누바 야 매베이나 안다 탑시스게 엄마로 이내야 랑라 동해 텔레겹에 누바 유야베치 된제에 차긴 순 좀네 단동야 버리보도 동해를 잡으러 마셔 이미나 아니 심줄려 봐 차도 그래서
Puchungwa said that there are three criteria that for giving up on sentient beings. The first is that the other sentient being has to be suffering. They have to be immersed in suffering or engaged in suffering. The second is that there's no other person to protect them, no other person to save them.
단도는 이 suffering 슬람나 저도 지 로봇 제거하게 내다는
So when saying that suffering, that means that there's a position where they need to be helped. The second criteria is that there's no one else to protect them, no one else to save them. If there is someone else to save them or rescue them, and another person who can help them, if at that point you do not help that other sentient being, then that is not giving up on that sentient being. So someone who is in suffering and in need of help, someone who does not have any other protector, anyone else to save them. And then in addition to that, if you have the ability to protect them from the suffering, if you don't have the ability to protect them from the suffering, there's nothing you can do about it. But if you don't and you still do not help them, then if these three criteria are met and you do not try to help or protect or save that other sentient being, then this is giving up on a sentient being.
다드네 예시 쟁아외 양 꾸지 숨기나네 쟁아외 가르송을 쓰나 냠바케다 때네 미쳐 냠바디 제 가서 심질려 당와인 소 다간다 베닝 타바네 아다 교랑 민인 쾌다 사바라바다지 미르지기나 미질이야 다 교랑 민인 쾌다 니니베 자완니네 다 다네 송데 나라니베 가서지기 최야서나 최버서 로튀야로 지다 지 베지 나라니 지 찬지야로 자네 메시지 타바네베 텐 샤비나 아니 가서에 디길로 당인 소나
What Geshe Chengawa said is that if you say, there's no way that a scoundrel like you and I can ever get along. In other words, if from now on you think that you scoundrel, so that other person, you think of them as a scoundrel, and you think that there is no way that from now on you will ever be able to get along, that you will ever be able to be in harmony, that you'll ever be able to reconcile. If you think in that way, then that is giving up on sentient beings.
전에 sembachibu shunu geshogi sembachibu shunu geshosana da ngore kunjo sungim bangsana dagore da dona di yang kadambe jigi kadambe da 가지고 딘지 차디 요래 마시 제름부시 로마이 차디 요래 제송거 침be 로마이 차디 요래 공기에 람드링기 전주 람드링기 대신지 요래 버지 전주 람드링기 제바 표기 제베 나는데 계셔도 버지 차디 유스래 디 나로라야 ane simje lue tang yo khoa di khoa len dang de ka de sung yo sa na shi la so ba shi na ya shi nyam ba de ane ka shu re simje lue tang re so da shi sa de ma shi ji ge na jiang zu mang bu ji xin li yu ma de ma zu shun shun ge le ya shi mang bu yo de shi de so ma sa de shi na bu ji je ane so ma de ka bu ji ti bu de le ya so ma so re 다 식사 소마사 주주시지로와 부충중지로와 식다 신나야 시 거다 개 말에 사람도 저러다 고려야 배지 고랑 채소 예배기에 통으로 마셔지 거다 식다 식으로 와서 서로 제파 세잖아 아니디 심지어 당화레스 간다라 지동매 채소를 배린당 마셔지 에너지 디돌이야 신 디돌이 지구로 마셔지 근데 제베 케도 세샤위나 아니 심지어 당화레스
The Kadampa master, a master of the Kadampa lineage named Shunu Gyechok, he's also known as Kunchok Sombang. He was a student of Tsongkhapa, the great Lord Tsongkhapa. He's known for having written the longest commentary on the Lamp for the Path to Enlightenment in Tibetan. And in this commentary, what he describes as giving up, as the understanding of giving up on sentient beings, is when you say, like, a louse is just a louse, and who cares if it dies? So like a louse, maybe you don't know what lice are, but there are lice, and then there are their offspring, which are nits. And if you have nits and lice, and if you think they're tiny sentient beings, they're small insects, and if you think they're not important, if you think their lives are not important, then that is giving up a sentient being. If you think, it doesn't matter if this louse lives or not, and you kill it, then that is giving up on the sentient being. This is not valuing this other sentient beings, even just a bug's life. It is not considering their pleasures and pain, and ignoring them. That is the level of giving up on a sentient being.
단도는데 식당 랑신이나 수부치중 개발요르데나 소를 지중 개발 유기마르와 하고 진단 지중 리스다 개발 유기마르와 제가 디균전 되네 네 랑진 체어이 미균전 되네 고자체자 에너지 식충이 유산은 고직 가져에 고 님중 뉴메를 차제 고 가져에 개취를 잘하게요 말았어.
If you have a louse and an elephant, there's a difference in their bodily size, but there's no difference in their life. The elephant, because the elephant is large, does not make it more important. Just because the louse is small and because it is unable to do much and powerless does not make it less important.
단도나 가담비 교신이 남지다 시주 측이 개발을 됐으면 어디가 되는 지구를 주셔. 다 대다 탐지파 주 넘겸 쉬비나 안 답으로 미치게 답에 타게 나로래야 가르송어서나 심지를 당화사데 심지 탐지를 당화를 고메스 르 동고메스다 심지 탐지를 당나다 심지를 당화 인버와 네 심지 탐지를 당화사데 꼼보레스 금들레지 심지를 당화사데 심지 지를 당비네 심지를 당화인스 다들을 당화사데 가르사나 심지 지점 연체래야 에너지 콜레베 샤사당 닌지 양아 된대지 매 가서 대회 토네 닌 타고네 어다 콜레지 펜도 다기베 펜도 차 고급 준비네 펜 따금이 다는 신기 뇌발레 도야 지 가서래 강에레 세아기 고급 충분히비네야 강에레 세기 미제제 니 타반에 니 전소나 다들 신주를 당하래서
So the Kadampa masters, in explaining this, phrase it differently. The words are slightly different, but the meaning is all the same. So it's described in the jewel ornament. It says, giving up on sentient beings is not giving up on all sentient beings. Even if you, it's giving up on any sentient being, not necessarily all. It's very rare to give up on all sentient beings. And so here, giving up on sentient beings means that if you give up on any one sentient being, that is giving up on sentient beings. So giving up giving up here means that for one or more sentient beings, if you lose your affection, if you lose your compassion for that sentient being, and you think to yourself that from now on, even if you have the opportunity to help that sentient being, if you think, I shall not help that sentient being, even if you have the opportunity to avert danger for that sentient being and you do not, and you think you shall not do it, that is giving up on a sentient being.
제가 조지기 순지가 나로래야 심지를 사들이야 그래 예와를 채비미나 에너지 전이를 팬도에 심지를 미동아 직체 안 다나시 전이라 네버 채비 심지를 미동아 직체 안 다나신기 지기 무수배 동해게 나대비 심지 르미동아 동해다 동해기 규이 배 동해 주부 동해다 디규 지다 지 그는 영문 말씀하러다 디기 배규 신제배기 엔스비 르미동아 지제 여와 숨체나이브라
With this in mind, Atisha said that for not giving up on sentient beings, there are three types of not giving up on sentient beings. The first is not giving up on those beings who help you. The second is not giving up on those beings who harm you. And the third is not giving up on those beings who are actually experiencing suffering. This means those who are not experiencing suffering, which is the result, or not experiencing its cause, which are the afflictions. We're not caught up by the afflictions. So these are the three different types of not giving up on sentient beings.
대래야 라나 팬도 베심지 르미동아디 디즈레라버르셰 단도나지 수조리아 팬다고 당바 인자 디기 제바 신시 팅서웨기 지 삼배고네 다 딜려다는 지금 말에 섬선으로지 오코란데 토안에 삼당체 르미동아지 용으로 디즈레라버르셰 단 이버데 라나 네버 챙기기 심지 르마동아디 디즈갈라 하부샤디
The first of these, not giving up on beings who help you, is easy. If there's someone who helps you, and then out of gratitude, remembering their kindness and having gratitude for them, it's easy then to think that you shall not give up on that sentient being. The second, not giving up on those who harm you, is much more difficult.
다들이야 조직이 레더그리 차외권에 레더그리 차외스미 르동교 말스 란 네버 챙기듯이 나르다지 파네버 채발 때네 디기레 넘버 미비지고 지 갈라 다들 주 네버 채발에서 딘제기베 베 삼당제 르동교 말스 모르바 다이네디 렌델 이체등에 지기나 마도 람사들이 삼당도에 그라 하버 주도와
Joje Antisha said that this is because of not taking ownership of your actions, of your karma. It is if you have done something harmful to someone in the past, then the result of this, full ripening of this, is that they do something in return to harm you. That is thinking in that way. But this is not always so easy. This only works if you believe in karmic cause and effect.
단도나 지 아주 답답지 삼담이미나 라는 네버 챙기게 좋대네야 라는 네버 체베 차네 가르쳐다 야보도 말해 야보도 말해디 이미네야 다지 이나 라는 네버 좋이베 차네 고야 고 디두고 초아명이 차려요 말와 드린 주산에 나는 네버 챙기 좋이네 고 디두고 소이 거라시 고라이네 지기 가르래 대화 된대요 동해 된대요 봐 다들 지기 버려 단도 대화 된대요 다 동해 된대요 고라 로 가르래 지 고란 딜리아 베지 가르래 고란 박사로 전부 잡에 인사 안 되게 버지 주네바 지기 기로 받아 스스로 드린 주사네 다디 균전을 되네 다르니를 내가 제배 차네 다고 콜리아다지 균도 되나 저기야래 임비냐 지당 미코랑이 뭐는 셰비미나 단동이네야 코랑지 대화된데 임바도 동에 전도에 버치 시제기 간다라 코랑 가르쳐다지 시제 차네 앵고 미젠더지 샤지 미임바다지 심진임베게 제바 샤지 엔델레아베 지구르당 베 시제기 통로지도 지구르 때 말아버셔과데 계속 있어요.
An easy way to think of that is when there is an opponent who is harming you, then in terms of harming you, then that of course is not good. But just by merely being your opponent who is harming you does not mean that they lose their feelings of pleasure and pain. They're still human. They may be harming you, but they still want to experience pleasure and want to be free of pain. They're the same as wanting to be happy and not wanting pain. And so, in terms of, and it is because of this and because of the strength of that desire that they are causing harm to ourselves. And so, for that reason, it's fine to think that they have a problem in terms of causing harm to ourselves. That's fine. But they're still human. They're still the same. They still want to be happy and they still want to be free of suffering. So fundamentally, it is important that we do not lose our sense of valuing them or respecting them as being human and as being sentient beings.
다전에 숨바디 동해다 대규 동해기 규다 제발래 가서 동해에 심전다 대규 규라네데 버리 로미도 사디라 다 여러 니체제 다 주부 동해기 나서지 가서 주부 동해기 바 납데 버리 통배 크돌리아 아니 니지 셴보게네 심절로 다요 말레스 다시 주산다지 배 무슨 동해기 지부 지가 나대버지 저부 동해기 나대버지 두 통연 주산 안데 이들이야지 수습에 이제 동해 텔레차와지 초와 동해 스머베 텔레차와지 저는 찌머로냐 말로 든지기 관에 배 가르쳐다지 셈설라메 버르 시케체 내도나 안다 펜도 강도자 두스르도
The third type of not giving up on sentient beings is not giving up on those sentient beings who are suffering or who are under the control of it, the cause of suffering. So when we see, and so in this way, there are two different types. There's not giving up on sentient beings who are suffering, and not giving up on sentient beings who are afflicted by the causes of suffering. So the first of these is easy. When we see those sentient beings who are experiencing the result of suffering, we feel great compassion for them, and therefore we do not give up on them. When we see these sentient beings who are actually experiencing the result of suffering, then we have this feeling that we want to free them from suffering. We think, what would be wrong with them being free of suffering? And then, because of that, we feel unbearable compassion and do whatever we are able to benefit them.
다드네 딱 심지에 가시 제 동해기 규다 든들이야지 이제 내가 영문 말씀으로 동해기 규리야 내데 근데 통백거들이야 아니 참배기 셈께네 대관을 lö면도 저고래서 다 동해매배지 대화 든데지 다 대나 지모롱 삼바로 되게 가르라다지 셈로 깨지 든데 관에는 심절로 다요 말했어.
Likewise, when we see beings who are involved in the causes of suffering, karma and the afflictions, then we should feel great loving kindness for them. And by seeing that, then we should have the thought, may they be happy and have the causes of happiness that is free of all suffering. What would be wrong if they were happy? And developing that attitude, then we do not give up on those sentient beings.
Oda dri inju san ta di gyun de ne simje le me won a sa di ta cheju sama ji ju ge be lo jong cha ke chu cha di ore ane dri inju san ne di gyun zen de ne ta de member simje ge lab je nan ta thang bu di simje le me won a sa di sha na yi bra.
Thus, not giving up on sentient beings is the most important training or mind training for bodhisattvas. And so therefore it is presented first among the precepts of aspirational bodhicitta.
Ta dona kashwe Pade Tusum Kembege, Carson de Sana, Rang Lu Longe la Neuil, Koame, Shen Jesu Zimba, Simje Lume Wasa, Candidasana, Rang Lu Longe la Neuil, Shen Neuil, Koame, Shen Jesu Zimba, Kandaji Susuki, Ludan Longelia, and that Kandakashweji. Never. Chikashweda this new unit Yungu Yavina, Teleaji, Kange, La Mazib Cheche, and Tanduinea, and Dujet, Simjin Shenlia, Mutuine, Pentocha, Jesus Bacha, the Shavina, and just Simjin Lemedon Sajum, Resu, that Indus and that Teleaqua, Indo Gudwa. Desi Suzuki, Randun, look. 중세바 르 당체 아니 현대 풀도 렘버지 중나 아니 심리 렘 동사도 용어를 마다베 란데 참모자베 지 가르로지 쇼도는 제비입니다 안다 깔아 하고 싶잖아 수수기 개변디 셴변 주야래 수수기 개변 주야데 개체 제잖아 네 심리 렘 동사도 용어를 깔아 하고 싶잖아 드린 주산디 균전 되네 심진 르미 원야버 차발라 란드 팀부지 가르르다 베 차상르 당마토네 란드 팀부 르 당투버시 버지 고레 데 란드 팀부 르 당투나 아니 신에 지심지 르미 원와사지 버지 용하게 저요레.
What Dusum Kempa said is that even if there is someone who is going to do something harmful to either your body or your possessions, if you, without any despair, if you then care for that sentient being. And so even if someone is going to do something that's harmful for you or harmful to your possession, that'll impair you in some way or impair your possessions, if you, without any despair or without any sadness, if you then continue to care for that sentient being, and to help that sentient being, that is not giving up. So when there is someone else who is going to harm your body or your possessions, if you have a lot of attachment to these, then it is difficult to do this. But if you are unable, if you are able to continue benefiting the other sentient beings and continue accepting and taking care of them, then that is not giving up on other sentient beings. You need a bit of courage in order to do this. It means that you have to let go of your own needs, let go of your own benefit, and put others' benefit first. If you have really strong clinging to your own needs and ends, then this is very difficult to do. So if you consider your own benefit, your own profit to be more important than benefit or profit for other sentient beings, then it's difficult not to give up on other sentient beings. So in order not to give up on other sentient beings, you have to loosen your clinging to your own aims, and if not completely, then at least a little bit, and then only then do you have some help of not giving up on other sentient beings.
다들이야 배를 샤비미나 저도 가담베 라우리디 주나로래 배 칸이 샤나 어르스나 배나 강바질 메쇼이미나 에 강바티나는 메쇼이르서 소수익이 낭로질이야 에 강바들 메쇼르르서 메쇼와데 수수 통르서 람상 배지 가르셔다지 나라로라지 수수 짜체 안 람상 치료래야 가르셔 배로라스 에 배네 강바 예지디 엔다 고에 템바사지 때 배를 기지로 템바사지다 다 고에 템바디 강바 예지 고에 템베 치료라 샤 아니 강바 예지 고에 템베기 가르셔 치료라 직 샤사체 직디 마샤 버루텔이야 오다 아라지보 되는 데서에 단동야 신다 예삼체 엔고야 치료 geb체 엔 너무 신다도 자과요 레스 오다 드린 주산에 기부 담바사디 가르쳐 기부 침보사기 삼바디 드리지고 아레스 감바 예지 다치 수수체도 변한 드그레스다 감바 예지 수수체도 변 감바 예지디 미신다가 체도 샤고레스 드린 주산다 그 다기고 감바 예지디 그 템베치로 친사로 다디 수수 짜네 매쇼 통인데 남사 짜네 배 배주고 수수 숨겹치 하셔 제가 감바 예지 치료 뼈사 이내 감바 예지디 마베 공리야 아니 심진 시엔데서 태 대내 고치려 줘 봐. 그래서 디소를 제자 간다. 다배 현준 버시 있어야 돼. 깔아 하고 싶지. 저주서 뭐 첨부도 좀 하다 배 나란주다가 가주다지 나란주다지 다다 배 가주에 다 란진지 다지 등진 첨부여야 돼 봐. 랑 아주 소리서데 현준 버시 있어야 돼. 저도 깔아 하고 싶지. ane 드린 주산에 다지 가서 투도를 다니 셔는 신기 다시 냠바사 삼단에 아무도 지 수술을 디도고 소화에 이외사 안 수술 계신 분이면 신기 심지어 신다이나 디도고 소화에 왜 차네 아 참말로 지교래 계시 중 지보래 그래서 디균선 때네 네 현대라는 자체인 삼당모도네 아 지보인 삼당하기 다 당투야지 매주 체과를 계십니다.
The analogy given by many Kadampa masters in their teachings on the stages of the path, it's like if you're in a house that catches fire. Immediately when you see the house catching fire, you want to flee. You see the fire, it's like your family home, and you see that it catches fire. You immediately panic. You see the flames and you panic, and you want to get out, so you run out, you flee. When you get to the door, you put one foot outside the threshold. But before you step with your other foot is still inside the threshold, so one foot you've already stepped outside. The other foot is still inside the threshold, and you think, oh, I can't do it alone. All my loved ones are inside. And so we return inside. And so it's like this. You can't just think, you don't think it's just me alone. There are others, and I need to return and protect them. It's similar with the great sentient beings. It's the same way. They're taking a step, moving one foot outside for your own sake, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Of course, we all need to protect ourselves. But when we've taken the step out of fear, we're trying to flee. So having done that one step outside is not bad. But with the other, if we remember the others, and then we return inside and try to protect the others. So that's the way we need to think. It's difficult for people such as us to only think about only think about the benefit of other sentient beings. Only great bodhisattvas are able to do this. We still cherish ourselves. We still have great clinging to our great ego clinging, and so it's extremely difficult for us to only work for the benefit of other sentient beings. So what we need to do is we need to do whatever we can to develop the attitude that we and other sentient beings are equal, that we're the same. Just as we are important because we have feelings of pleasure and pain, in the same way, Other sentient beings also have these sensations of pleasure and pain. And in this respect, they are equally important because they also have these sensations. So even if we cannot consider other beings as being more important than ourselves, it is important for us to at least make efforts to see them as being the same.